Hello everyone and welcome to a beautiful sunset. Well, it's actually pretty cold. It's 9 degrees Celsius, but look at that sun. I mean, I almost can't see anything because of it, but all I know is that sunsets are beautiful, and that made me think. On the 31st, I think, of August or something like that, the change between July and August, I kind of slid out on the track while it was raining with the RS660, which was extremely unfortunate because, you know, the whole country, Italy, just kind of shuts down for some reason. It's like when the Spanish have their siesta, but the Italians were like, no, we need a month of vacation. So seeing that this is a pretty new bike, a new model, there wasn't really a lot of spare parts on the shelf at the moment. And, you know, Corona, stuff like that, everything really just mended down to this bike, the RS660, being out of service for nearly 2.5 months, which is quite a lot when, you know, the season that we Norwegians have available for riding a motorcycle. I'm not saying it's super slim, but we are now entering the time this fall where it's almost unrideable because of sub-0 degrees Celsius at night. Of course you can get a little bit down because of that, but it happens every year. Wearing my winter gloves, which is, I mean, they're not warm, like, at all. In I think sub 8 degrees or something, they're super freaking cold. Oh well, can't win them all, can you? It's just something about saying something out loud that makes it easier, better, I don't know. But I guess it is an update. I got the RS back. It is going back to winter hibernation to get some work done. I've ordered a new spring, rear shock. Would you just look at that sun? Goodness gracious. Entering the freeway. I wanted to take photos here for a while now. So yeah, every year I've done this thing called a blackout, and what that essentially was me logging off and deleting Instagram, YouTube, and, you know, everything like that, just to kind of let myself recharge for the next and upcoming season. And I don't think that's a healthy way of doing stuff. It's definitely a way of doing stuff, but you know, if I'm gonna keep on doing this whole Drakenhoff thing and hopefully expand it in the future, and, you know, maybe I've gotten so many opportunities because of this that it's really hard for me to just shut it down completely. I'm very bad at taking care of myself, is what I guess I'm trying to say, when I'm doing these YouTube stuff. And that is something that I think I've done better at this year than I did last year. And I'm really happy, actually, that that's the case. It's not like I want to do a blackout. I mean, sure, it's good for publicity and like, hey guys, I'm leaving, and everyone is like, no, don't leave, but in reality it doesn't really matter if I leave or not. Alright, and then just don't drop it, don't catch on to stuff. Perfect, and we're good. I want to shoot some photos inside like trees and stuff, but we'll need the sun for that. At least a little bit of sun would have been nice. Down there, question mark? Okay, that worked out. Dun, da, da, dun, da, da, dun, da, da, dun. Na 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 na. Okay. I'm definitely wearing too much clothes for staying in the sun, but it's perfect when I'm riding. Oh, some air. Jolly old golly. I think that's it for this video. Now, if you enjoyed watching me just, you know, ramble, taking photos and stuff like that, do you see me better now? No, maybe not. I am tired. I've got this car behind me that is really pissed at me for doing the speed limit, I guess. But all I'm doing is legal, buddy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.